this, have a look here. This is the most affordable property in Port St. John's. We're getting there. It cost 500 South African rand. That's about $30 US for life, for your life, your children's life, grandchildren's life. That's the sea. I don't think you can see it. It's not light enough. It will be. Will be shortly. Now wait till we turn around. Then you can see the view. These people are, if they have a job, if they're lucky enough to have a job, they may be a cashier, or they work, they maybe clean someone's little house, whatever. But this is where they live. This is the best real estate in Port St. John's. And until the South African government get an offer from China or something, it is owned by the local chiefs. Most of them are there in their teens and alcoholics, so just a bottle of brandy and coke usually secures title. Well, it's not title because you cannot sell it, so there's no appreciation. In 3 centuries, if you do ever sell it, you might sell it for 600 rand. That is a profit of less than $10 in 3 generations. But look at the view. You can't see the sea from here really. I have to wait until we turn around. I'm trying to drive fast so we don't run out of battery or whatever it is, memory card or whatever. Still, it's 6 a.m. I haven't been driving all night. I drove from about 8 o'clock to 12 or 1. I got to Port St. John's at about 12:30 and went to a place, took photographs of the stars. No, not a good place. I don't remember. I think we might get there to see the sea, but some people like living the other side, like grapes, the valley. Oh, here we go, higher up. This is 4x4 or leg territory. Okay, we're going to change to 4-wheel drive. Oopsie, I forgot. We had, that's the seatbelt. We had the auto cut out, or auto start engaged. Okay, well, we in 4-wheel drive high. This doesn't qualify for 4-wheel drive low. That's when it gets a bit more, a little bit steeper, more rugged. Oh, there's a vehicle. Whoopsie. Oops, I dropped the phone. It's very rough here. The phone came off its double magnetic holder. Oh, you may see the view behind. Oh, and the view in front. Now we will see as the sun rises in the east, and this is the home of Transkei, Poison, the Indian Ocean to the east. So the sun should rise over the body of water. Okay, now you can see some people don't build with bricks like in America. They use fabricated metal or cardboard, like in California. Very similar to California, but you can't compare the coastline or the views. But I suppose the properties people home are bigger in California. It cost $100 million, where here it cost, what did we say, $40 US. Yes, yeah, there we go now. How's the view of this lovely home? There's the Indian Ocean. You can see it's rising. But we need to get higher. I mean, the camera needs to get higher. It's too low on the dashboard. Still not taking me where I need to. I've taken the wrong it's not a road, it's not a path. What do we call it? The wrong boulevard. Hope you don't run over any chickens. Well, this is quite rugged. 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. People are walking to work. Now, believe it or not, the biggest house here looks like a mosque actually, somewhere, I don't remember now. It's over there somewhere. Well, somebody's building here. Lovely view. It's a pity. What I'll do is I'll show you now.